Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix Discord stuck on connecting or servers are unavailable due to a temporary outage. Method 1. Check internet connection. Discord needs a stable connection to run properly. An unstable internet connection can result in messages not loading, stuck on connecting, and many others. You can prevent this by making sure that your internet connection is stable. First, try turn on and off airplane mode if you are using a wireless connection. After that, try relaunch Discord and see if problem is gone. Besides, try opening another application, such as YouTube, Google search to make sure the problem only occurs with Discord. If your internet connection problem, you should turn off your router, then unplug the power cable from the wall outlet. Wait for 3 minutes and plug the power cable into the wall outlet. After that, turn on your router and check if this resolves the issue. Method 2. Check Discord server's status. Discord servers sometimes get downtime for maintenance. This usually happens if there are bugs that need to be fixed. This downtime is usually scheduled on their social media. You can follow their social media and check if there is downtime. Discord also has its own website where they show updates on when the servers are down and when they are up. You can find out by link in description. Method 3. Check for updates. Like every other application, Discord also gets frequent updates. These updates contain bug fixes, features, and many more. If there is an update, Discord fails to respond. This is because it needs the latest version of the application to function properly. For desktop, when Discord gets an update, the icon usually shows up on the top right of the screen. You can just click on that icon, the update will be installed and Discord will restart. For Android users, to update Discord, we need open the Google Play Store app. At the top right, tap the profile icon. Tap Manage Apps and Device. Apps with an update available are labeled Update Available. Tap Update. For iOS users, to update Discord, we need open the App Store. Tap your profile icon at the top of the screen. Scroll to see pending updates and release notes. Tap Update next to an app to update only that app, or tap Update All. Method 4. Use VPN or different network. Discord is banned in Oman, Iran, Egypt, mainland China, United Arab Emirates, and North Korea. If this is your situation, then you can use a VPN. This tricks the application into thinking that you are from a different country. This results in the problem being fixed. That's it guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.